What's going on, guys? Barber CVO in the building. You're not gonna believe where I am. I am in Pooler, Georgia. What am I doing here? I don't know. I think I'm gonna visit somebody very special. He goes by the name of Robert Simmons. Robert Simmons in the building. What a beautiful house he has. This is great here. Awesome. And this is gorgeous neighborhood. Guess what, guys? I have a big announcement. I'm moving to Georgia. So I'm out here in Georgia looking at houses and met up with my boy over here so we could see some cribs. Get some big property out here, man. All right, so we're gonna check them out. Look at this, guys. He wasn't kidding about his grass. Holy cow.
In the building.
What's up?
What's going on, man?
How you doing? How's it going?
Good, man. It's going great, man. It's going great.
Preloaders, Robert Simmons in the building.
In the building, baby.
Nice.
And Bugs are trying to get in the building.
Yes, yes, yes. So I brought the wife, and we had to do is see some houses, and there's actually a potential house that we might be looking at on the right side of Mr. Simmons. So hopefully we're gonna be neighbors. Hopefully. All right, guys, I'm in the garage in the infamous, famous Robert CVO action actually in his garage. I can't believe it. All right, guys, so we got our friends here, YouTubers that are just popping up. Ross the Cross is here too. And Woods Jr. in the building, baby. All right. Just something to ride over here or something. Just something to ride over here.
Yeah, his friend's gonna tell him. He got tunnel vision.
My man, Robert Simmons.
In the building.
Make sure you follow him on YouTube and Instagram. It's a pleasure being here, man. Woods Jr., baby, Woods Jr. Bros the Kraus. How you doing? Barber CVO, how you doing? Thank you. Oh, sorry.
You guys are always at Dick. That's what we usually do on the weekends.
Look at this guy.
That's our thing.
You gotta have a trip with this guy all the time.
We always ride around together.
That's awesome. I'm moving on. I'm moving on over here from North Jersey.
Really?
I'm looking at houses.
Oh.
Yep. This is a big surprise to everybody from YouTube as well. I'm going south.
You guys 40 ounces of soda all the time? Yeah. What do you drink there, by the way? What is that? This time it's Coke. Coke.
Look at this guy's doing laps right now.
He's still, hold up. Has he still not walked the motorcycle?
What's up, man? How you doing?
I see y'all out there.
It's okay, it's okay. In the building, baby.
What's up, baby? Hey, man, I just ate. Y'all don't judge me, man. What's up, bro? We're going to eat in 3 hours, man. What's wrong with you, man?
That's a little appetizer. A little appetizer.
Yeah, I guess it is appetizer.
So, yeah, man.
What's up, brother?
I'm coming south.
Are you?
I'm buying a crib.
Right here.
Where? Right here.
Look at it, man.
Are you serious? Yeah, I have the realtor here and everything.
Oh.
I'm coming south.
Oh.
I'm making them.
I want to walk with your grass.
My CVO's coming.
That's your Mercedes.
That's my Benz right there. That's my Benz. I just drove here.
Yeah, come on, this ain't his grass yet. He ain't bought
Yeah. Not yet, but we'll see.
So my guy, for real? You want me to hold off and posting this?
You can post. I don't care.
Cool, that's what I'm talking about.
This is one of a possible house that I'll probably be getting. This is the first house we're looking at today.
Wow.
All right, guys, tune in. We're gonna show you guys what we're gonna be buying. So we're looking at houses. Here's our first house we're actually.
Wood Nation, can this day get any better, bro?
my guy, Barber CVO, that's right, in the building, is about to be rocking in the South with us, bro. Oh, Robert Simmons, Barber CVO, Goofy Word Looking Wood Jr. Whoa! Oh my gosh, bro. Bro, and he's picking this mansion. This is a mansion we're in. Barber CVO has a butler downstairs. Where's your butler, bro? Huh? Where's your butler? Look at this, man. Oh, bro, this is what you call that loan money. See, I got that money that when you sneeze, like, heck you, $20. It's that loan money, bro. Gosh, this is nice, man. Man, hey, I'm telling you, I'm sure y'all gonna see this on Barber CVO video too. Hey, y'all be thinking I be posting quick. That dude, he probably done already posted already. Bro, this is beautiful, man. Wow. Okay, New York coming down to the south. Okay. Whew, man, y'all, I'm so stuffed, man. Oh, I'm so stuffed, bro. Man, Ross, it's just that, y'all know we normally grub at Dickie's Barbecue. Then we get a call, it's like, bro, somebody want to say what's up. I'm like, who, man? Barber CVO. I was like, I'm on the way. Barber CVO coming to the south, man. He's coming to the south.
Barber CVO coming to the south.
Can't wait to see you get here.
Yes, it's gonna be fun.
Barber CVO in
the building.